A spicy culinary ingredient is garlic. Since the beginning of time, garlic has been utilized in cooking. Garlic is one of the most popular spices on the list, not just because it improves the flavor of food but also because of its nutritional worth. Therefore, garlic serves as a medicine to maintain health in addition to being used in cooking. Since many years ago, garlic has been utilized in medicine. Almost all of the countries in the world have used garlic as a treatment for various illnesses. Moisture, protein, fat, mineral fiber, and carbs are all abundant in garlic. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, thiamin, riboflavin, and vitamin C are all vitamins and minerals. In addition, garlic has trace amounts of iodine, sulfur, and chlorine. Garlic has the ability to both build resistance to and assist prevent a number of illnesses when consumed on an empty stomach. The advantages of consuming garlic on an empty stomach are as follows. Garlic functions as a potent antibiotic when consumed on an empty stomach, according to studies on natural antibiotics. Garlic is most effective when consumed in the morning before breakfast. Particularly when consumed on an empty stomach, garlic exposes microorganisms, who subsequently succumb to its strength. Because of this, the body's dangerous microorganisms are no longer shielded. Maintaining blood pressure. Many patients with high blood pressure have discovered that eating garlic helps with some of their symptoms. This is due to the positive effects of garlic consumption on the body. Garlic is healthy for the intestines and helps the liver and bladder do their jobs properly when consumed on an empty stomach. It also treats a number of stomach issues, including diarrhea. This garlic stimulates the appetite and aids in digestion. Therefore, using garlic to stop feeling hungry is really beneficial. Stress can also be reduced by garlic. Stress or strain might cause stomach issues. Thus, consuming garlic on an empty stomach aids in lowering our nervous tension and eradicating all of these issues. Additionally, garlic solves a number of stomach issues. Body detoxification. Compared to other medications, garlic is particularly effective at detoxifying the body. Experts claim that garlic is quite effective in preventing serious illnesses like cancer, diabetes, depression, typhoid fever, parasites, deworming, and stubbornness. Garlic protects diseases such as whooping cough, pneumonia, bronchitis, lung congestion, and tuberculosis by inhalation. All ailments can be cured by eating garlic. Garlic has so many anti-tuberculosis components that, if you are diagnosed with a condition like tuberculosis or TB, you can cut up a whole clove into multiple pieces and consume them throughout the day. Possibility of eliminating TB. Boost immunity if you take a clove of garlic after breakfast each morning to prevent illness. To swallow, do not chew. This will boost the body's immunity and eliminate health issues brought on by the seasonal change. Digestive issue. Release 2/3 of a garlic clove and cook it in a little ghee. Practice eating it as such or with vegetables. By doing this, you can avoid gastrointestinal issues in general and get rid of constipation. Phlegm is relieved. Phlegm can benefit greatly from the usage of garlic. Before retiring to bed at night, fry a half clove of garlic in a tiny amount of oil and consume it with a spoonful of honey. It will help you eliminate chest phlegm if you consume it frequently. Garlic's function in enhancing sexual performance. Regularly consuming a few raw garlic cloves each day helps maintain the body young for a very long time. 2 garlic cloves sautéed in pure ghee and butter can be consumed every day by those who have reached puberty. You should, however, drink some warm milk or water after eating. It will yield positive outcomes. There are additional ways to ingest garlic that will keep you young. Raw stew or a spoonful of raw amlaki can be eaten with 1 or 2 cloves of garlic paste. Both men and women have extended youth. Heart health advantages of garlic are numerous. Garlic is quite effective at lowering cholesterol. As a result, there is a lower chance of having a heart attack. Therefore, garlic has many heart health benefits. Everyday use of a few raw or partially boiled garlic cloves lowers cholesterol levels. Additionally, garlic helps to keep blood sugar and blood pressure levels stable. These advantageous health effects are brought on by allicin, a chemical with a sulfuric base that is present in garlic. In this situation, it is advisable to eat raw garlic, so keep that in mind. Allicin, which should be consumed after boiling, loses some of its therapeutic effects. Garlic prevents plaque from building up, which prevents plaque from building up in the veins. Garlic also guards against atherosclerosis, a dangerous vein condition. Additionally, it assists in avoiding vein blood clots.